Here's how to use Dropbox. Use the clickable sections below to skip through different parts of this tutorial. For this tutorial, we'll use the desktop version to start. It's also available on mobile. First, sign up on Dropbox.com. Dropbox offers a free service of up to 2 GB of storage, but you can upgrade to a paid plan for more storage later. Click Download Dropbox and install the program on your computer. An installation window will appear. Click Next to continue setting up. Choose Make Files Local from the options to continue using the free version, and then click Continue with Basic. It may now give you the option to use Dropbox to back up your computer. Dropbox will now open as a folder on your computer. If you're using Mac, it'll appear as a folder in your Finder and as an icon at the top of your screen here. If you're on a Windows computer, it'll appear on My Computer. Now you can start saving and syncing files to Dropbox. To upload a file via the web browser, click on the Dropbox icon at the top of the screen and then select the web browser icon from the drop-down. On the right-hand side, click on Upload Files. Find the file you want to upload and then click Open and then Upload. You'll see it appear in the browser under All Files. This file has now also synced automatically onto your local Dropbox folder. Open it up by going to the Finder, and in Dropbox, you'll see the file. Let's delete this file on the desktop, and you'll see it's now been deleted on the server too. If you've downloaded Dropbox on your mobile or any other devices, files will also be synchronized there as soon as they're connected to the internet. You can also save files to your local Dropbox folder, and it'll upload them to the Dropbox server. When it's uploading, you'll see an upload icon appear on the file. When the upload is completed, a green check mark will appear here. If you update or change any of your files, they'll also be updated on the server and your other devices automatically. You can use Dropbox links to send files and folders instead of sending large attachments. To share a file, open the Dropbox web cloud by clicking on the Dropbox icon at the top of your screen, and then the Internet icon from the drop-down. Double-click on the file you want to share. In the top right corner, select the Share icon. It may ask you to verify your email if you're using Dropbox for the first time. Click Share and a pop-up window will appear. Type in the email address of the person you want to share the file with here, and then add a message for them below. Click Share File to complete the action. They'll receive an email with a link to view file. The file will appear in their web browser. To download it, they can click on Open at the top right corner, and they'll have the option to download from the drop-down. You can also share files from your local Dropbox folder by right-clicking on the file or folder and selecting Share. You can also share by choosing Copy Dropbox Link and sending them a web link. You can add comments to files on Dropbox and share with others. Open the Dropbox web browser and open the file you want to comment on. On the right-hand side, type a comment here. Anyone you share the file with will also be able to see the comments and add their own. Organize your files on Dropbox by using folders. From the Dropbox web browser, go to the All Files tab and select New Folder from the right-hand side. Drag and drop the files to add them to your folder. You can create folders and share everything inside them with others. Click New Shared Folder and then I'd like to create and share a new folder. Click Next. Choose a name for the folder where it says Folder Name. Type in the email address of the person you want to share the folder with. You can choose whether they can amend the document or just view it here. And share. They'll receive an email with a link to open the folder. If you add files to it in the future, anyone that you have shared the folder with will be able to see them. You could change who sees your Dropbox files after they've been shared, as long as you're the owner of the file or folder. First, open the Dropbox web server. Find the file or folder you want to review the settings for, and then hover over it with your cursor. Click on the Share button. A pop-up window will appear. Underneath the name of the document, click on the number of people who have access. You'll see yourself listed as the owner if you've created the file or folder. Anyone else you've shared the document or folder with will be listed below. Click on the drop-down arrow next to their name and Can Edit or Can View, and then click Remove. The documents will no longer be shared with them.